Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, we're going to find out how to access the Nafi live classes for the students, for the enrolled students. So let's start. First of all, we're going to type alnafi.com/live-schedule. We're going to press enter. Here we're going to be able to see the entire monthly schedule for the live classes, all the live sessions and classes which are scheduled for the month of July. For example, right now we are in July, so for the month of July they're all mentioned here: the class name, the instructor who's going to be taking the class, the dates, and the time, right? And so this keeps on changing on a monthly basis. So for example, this is the live classes schedule for the month of July, and when August will come, this will change and this will be updated, right? So now, how can we access the live classes on our Nafi study portal? First of all, if for example a student wants to access the the REL live class, right? Or let's suppose they want to study, or they want to follow or enter the Elasticsearch SOC engineer live class, right? So first of all, they're going to see in which diploma is this class being taught, right? In which diploma is this class being taught. And then what they're going to do, they're going to go to the Nafi study portal. So as we discussed in our other video, how to access Nafi, let's try that. So we're going to go to log in, right? And it logged into my portal. It automatically, because my credentials are saved, so it automatically logged into my portal. So we're going to go to dashboard, right? And then there I can see all the courses I am enrolled in, right? So this is my student dashboard. So for example, I wanted to access the REL intensive class. So look, links for live classes and recordings for diploma in cloud cybersecurity. As I mentioned, that we need to first of all see in which diploma is that class taught in. So diploma in cloud cybersecurity. So we're gonna go to diploma in cloud cybersecurity is live classes, and here we can see all the subjects which are being taught. All the live classes are uploaded here. So I wanted to study the REL intensive live class. So the link for the Zoom session is mentioned here, right? Course name, date. So today is 27th of July. So tomorrow we have a live class at 11 a.m. and we have the Zoom meeting link. And if for example if the meeting link is not working, so what you can do is you can just log into your Zoom account and you can copy the meeting ID and passcode from here, and you can access the live class, right? So same goes for the IELTS live class and all the other live classes, right? For example, let's suppose I want to go to the AWS Solution Architecture live class, which is in Diploma in SysOps and Cloud Advancement. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my portal, my study dashboard, go and look for the links for live classes for the Diploma in SysOps. Here. Links for live classes and recordings for diploma in SysOps, same way we have for DevOps and also obviously for AIOps. Here we can see for the diploma in artificial intelligence, right? So but we want to go to AWS Solution Architecture, which is in diploma in SysOps, right? So here we have it. So this is the live class link, and these are the live sessions which are uploaded every time a class is held. So the sessions are uploaded on our portal, right? So this is how we can access the live classes. And worth mentioning is that there's a difference between live classes and live sessions. Live classes are only for the students who are enrolled in their diplomas, right? So the reminders as well are sent for each live class on this Nafi student community, However, the links and the meeting passcodes and the meeting IDs, they're not shared, as the only the students who are registered on our on our on their diplomas can only access the live classes. However, the live sessions are different. The live sessions are broadcasted. They are available for everyone, for the enrolled and those also who are not yet enrolled in the diplomas. So the live sessions are uploaded on YouTube. We can access them on Facebook, Instagram, Discord, and other social media platforms. So I hope the difference between live classes and live sessions are is clear, and I also hope that it is now very clear how students can access their live classes. That's it for today. Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.